Hey everybody. So we are back today working on the engine of the Toyota. So I've got some parts sitting over here that we're going to be putting in. I think I have everything to button it up, to completely close up the engine, and then we can start working on getting it in. So we'll look and see what we've got. I'll do a quick run over because I worked on a little bit after the last video. I just had some guys come over, so we worked on it a little bit. So we've got a stage 2 sloppy cam. I think that's what it is. Just one of those eBay cams. It's supposed to have a little bit of chop to it. So we're not chasing power with this. We just want to get it running, but I figured found a good deal. So we got that installed. Timing is set all together. Haven't touched anything else. So we've got heads down here that I want to clean up a little bit. Just clean and resurface, maybe just to get the old gasket stuff off. Maybe clean up the grease or the dust on them. So we'll do that. We've got a whole load of gaskets over here. So we got a whole mess of gaskets. We got the lifters soaking. They've been there for a while. We got everything else on the toolbox here. So we should be able to get all of this closed up hopefully today. We'll see how it goes, see how motivated I am. So we'll get that going. I'll set you up here. We'll just do a little time lapse of, whatever else I got going on. So hopefully you see some progress today. All right, made a little bit of progress on the engine. So we got heads on, we got all the timing stuff together, everything's torqued, but I'm gonna go make some dinner. We'll call it here for a night. All right, it's another day. Hopefully get some more progress here on the engine, hopefully get it buttoned up. So let's get to it.
All right, we'll show you what we got going on right now. So these the threads for the rocker arm assembly, I guess. This last one was pretty gummed up, so ran a thread chaser through there. If you guys don't have one of these sets, they're amazing. I ended up spending way more than I should have on a Matco set, but they sell the same things on Amazon everywhere. So these things are killer to chase threads because they're, let's see if you can see that, they're tapered on the front end. So they go in smooth, they cut everything out, and they're harder than a bolt. So chases the threads. It's not a tap, it's not cutting new holes, but just chasing the threads, reforms them, cleans them out really good. So now that we got the bolt to go in, we can continue on. Got all the push rods cleaned out. This one was still plugged up, so I let that one sit in the ultrasonic cleaner overnight. It's all cleaned out, so we'll get this going. Hopefully get this together today, so then I can plan a day where I've got a little bit more time to get it in the truck. So I've just been working with a little bit of time after work, so let's make some progress. All right, she should be mostly buttoned up. So 862 heads, just the cheap, I guess, eBay lifters, push rods, factory, I guess stock, rocker arms. Pulleys on. I think everything else is buttoned up. We'll figure that out as we go. So yeah, I think it's all coming together all right. So I'll probably end it off here. I'll plan on a day when I've got a day off or something to get everything bolted in, situated in the engine or in the engine bay. So hopefully soon we can get it in here in its final resting place, hopefully for a long time. I just want to let you guys know, I'm not a professional at this. I don't know what I'm doing, learning as I go. So don't be too critical on yourself. Learn as you go, enjoy the process. It's always more fun that way. If you stress over the little things, you'll never get started. That's why this has taken so many years. So thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll be making some more progress soon. Bye.